Welcome to the Techy Dialogue. Today, we will guide you step by step on how to remove all highlight from PDF. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Step 1. Open the PDF file where you want to remove the highlights. Step 2. Once the PDF is open, you'll see all the highlighted text on various pages. To delete a specific highlight, left-click on the highlighted area. A delete option will appear, click on it, and the highlight will be removed. Step 3. Alternatively, you can right-click on the highlighted line and select the delete option from the menu. This will also remove the highlight. Step 4. If you want to delete highlights quickly, look for an icon in the right corner that resembles a comment icon. Click on it. Step 5. A comments panel will appear, showing all the highlights in the documents. To delete a highlight from here, click on the three dots next to each highlighted section and select Delete. This method allows you to remove multiple highlights at once. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time with more videos.